How to upload your video or how to film your video in a good quality. Normally small YouTubers, they always confused like their video doesn't look good quality or this. I know a lot of people, they came to my conversation, they keep asking me like, Diamond, how can I do my video look in good quality? What app are you using for editing your video, or how can I use to edit my video to look like good quality? If you're using your phone, I'm gonna tell you it's better to go to use CapCut. CapCut is going to help you to start editing your video with a good quality rather than using some different apps that they don't have that good quality. And if you're going to use your window or Unleak or anything you're going to use different than that, then you can use Filmora, you can use Premiere Pro, you can use any other things you are using in currently now. But I'm gonna tell you what I'm using, especially when I'm using my phone. If I'm going to use my phone, I use CapCut. I just do through CapCut, and CapCut is just helping me to adjusting my video in a good quality. When I'm going to use my laptop or computer, whatever I'm going to use, also I use Premiere Pro. So it just depends like which one are you using. So normally for me, I like to use CapCut for my short videos, and if I'm going to use long video, I'm going to use my Premiere Pro. So on Premiere Pro, when you go on your Premiere Pro, especially when you just take a new project, then on that new project you are going to edit, is gonna ask you the quality of your video. You can just set the first time you are going to upload the app, and that is going to help you to start getting good quality video. And if you are going to use CapCut through your phone, when you are going to edit your video, then on that time you start changing through your phone, and it's gonna show you how you can add the effect on your face, how you can just make clear your face, how you can show the brightness of your face, how you can do all this elimination. They just go on through CapCut, and that is the things people they are using now to start editing their videos. So if you're a small YouTuber and you are looking your video to start looking with a good quality, please go to the setting and start changing your setting before you didn't start editing your video, because once you start editing your video, it will be hard again to go back and do this. By the time you upload the app, change everything, the quality, everything from there. And especially when you are going to upload a video, don't record your video like this. Record your video like this. Your phone must be like this, not like this. TikTok video or Facebook video or Instagram video like this. But if it's for YouTube, it's better when you record your video like this, because if you record your video like this, 1080 to 1920, 1080 to 1920. So on that, if you record like this, your video is gonna look full your screen like this, the way now you are seeing. But if you record your video like this, it's gonna be this size dark and this size dark, and my video is gonna be to the middle. So on that, it's not going to look like quality good video. But if you record like this, it's gonna take the full screen of your screen you are going to use, especially if on the setting you change it to 1920 to 1080. That is full screen, and that time is gonna show you in a good quality. Make sure you go to the setting and you change all those things. Thank you very much guys. See you next video. Bye bye.